And we are back to the Credit K YouTube channel where I talk about business credit, personal credit, finance, and crypto, everything to help you level up in life. We about that. And you see the thumbnail, you see the title, back with a fuel card that I just got for my business, Fast Fleet ATL. The new business I started up on this channel back in January, only 5 months ago. I was able to get this card, no PG, strictly for the business. I got the elite. Cover these numbers up, y'all boys. You know I got it. I got the flex. So let's get into some data points around it. Apply for racetrack now. Here's the thing. You see it. They are partnered with WEX. I did get the I got the elite here. Differences. Let's talk about the differences in the two and why I chose the elite instead of the universal. So, maximize savings. Rebates up to 5 cents per gallon, 750 locations. So here in Georgia, where I mostly do my runs for my courier business that I built up business credit for and started the business, there are a lot of racetracks and raceways on almost every corner. So I am going to use this to fill up throughout the day when I'm making my runs. Since there are a lot of racetracks, I went ahead and went with the elite card, which only allows you to purchase gas at racetracks. I would have did the universal, which would allow me to use BPs and Quick Trips and other gas stations within the WEX network. But those cards are a little bit harder to get approved for, since you can use them a lot more places. So I went with the safe bet for this new business, Fast Fleet ATL. So I, made sure I got the elite because I figured, not 100% sure, that since it's only in-house, you have better chances of approval and higher limits. So they did approve me for $8,000 limit on here. It's not actually on here, but they gave me all that information. They also gave me like a little card, kind of like the Kroger Plus or like a little grocery store keychain card to stick on there to use for rebates and things of that nature as well. I am curious if I'm able to use this inside the store to get snacks and drinks and things of that nature. So I will actually going to try that once I purchase gas for. I'm going to use it today. I need to fill up after making some runs this weekend. So I'm going to fill up with that and let you guys know. But let's see what the Universal has to offer. Like I said, accepted in 95% of the gas stations around the country. So that's really the main difference. Is you can use the universally around different platforms. It still has the same expense management platform, app, and website. You can track everything for your fleet. So this is a great card. If you're already in business, if you're a courier business, anything has to do with driving vehicles, trucking, transportation, go ahead and apply for this card. And they also report to Experian Business on the Experian side as of right now, like most WEX products. So go ahead and jump in. I only had one other trade line for Flash Fleet ATL, so I don't think they did a soft pull on me, but they may have. I definitely unchecked the personal guarantee box, so you don't have to go through that. But like I said, I was approved with our only one trade line for this business, so looks like there are for beginner business. As long as your business has been established for at least a year, you should have no issue getting approved for this. But let me know down in the comments below if you apply for this card, if you got denied, approved. What was your limits? What did they say? What was your experience? If you already have the card, what's your experience with this card? The racetrack, fuel card, credit card. All right, guys. Later. Credit K.